Have you seen this charge of chat Versailles CEFR mass charge on your credit card and also on your cash app or debit card? And you wonder exactly what could be the problem. Then that is what we're going to be discussing in today's video because several people ask me also in my group regarding this and saying, Maverick, where does this charge come from? We just saw this charge on our credit card and, we wonder exactly what could be the problem. So I also and several other people we went on some research and we were able to get the reason behind this and also some best measures that we put in place. Okay, so now in case you see this charge, okay, there is a possibility that you might have visited a website like Chatio Versailles, okay, and maybe you might have made some transaction or maybe you've accepted some cookies, okay, on this website. And looking at the website also, it doesn't look too legitimate, okay. So when we went ahead to look at the website, so sometimes, in case you wonder, some cookies on some website are just a way to siphon your details. Not every cookie, okay. There are some cookie that is just like programmed to just get you to, to get to siphon your details, okay. So that might have been the reason why you might have seen this charge on your credit card, okay. So from the look of the website, also they don't look professional of the Chatty Versailles, okay. So from my research, I don't think it's a legitimate charge, okay, or maybe possibly you might have bought a legitimate ticket from them in the past and you're still getting charged, okay. So this charge from them is not legitimate, and also their web page doesn't even look too sleek to me, so it looks like all these outdated web pages out there. So you need to be careful when you're on that page, okay. So possibly maybe you've gone to that website before, you should try and think maybe any of your family member might have used your phone, okay, or your gadget to solve that platform. So that is why you're getting a charge from them, okay. So in case that is what happens, let's talk about some best measures that you can take in case you are using a credit card, your cash app, or your debit card, okay. So in case it's your credit card, you can contact your credit card issuer, okay. So you need to immediately report the unauthorized charge to your credit card issuer, because you can do this by using the customer service number on the back of your card. Several people do ask me, Maverick, how can I reach out to my credit card issuer? When you check the back of your card, you'll see the service number, customer service number at the back, and you can use that to reach out to them, and you can possibly get a solution to this problem. Also, tell them to cancel or freeze your card. Okay, so you can request that your card issuer should freeze your account. Okay, to prevent further unauthorized charge. Okay, so they may issue you a new card actually with a different number. So you can tell them to issue you a new card so that they can have a different number, and that way you can be on a more safer side. Okay. Another thing is disputing the charge. So you can actually dispute the unauthorized charge with your credit card issuer, but you need to provide necessary documentation, okay, and evidence that telling them that the charge is fraudulent. Because if you do not provide that, it won't really interest them to work on your complaint. So try as much as possible to have documentation and evidence, telling them that okay, fine, this is how it works. This is the reason why for this and all that. So that way they are able to help you much further. Okay. And also, you need to always monitor your account. So make sure that you keep a close eye on your credit card statement, okay, in case of any additional unauthorized charges, okay, or any suspicious activity. So you can do this by setting up account alerts for any transaction. I always tell this in every of my video to set, for people to set up account alerts, because it kind of helps you to get immediate access to any kind of unauthorized charge on your credit card. So in case there's any transaction that is unauthorized or illegitimate, it helps you to quickly know before things go more wrong. Okay. And also for talking about the cash app debit card charge, okay. And when it comes to the cash app or debit card charge, you can also contact your cash app support. So in case it's on your cash app or your debit card, then you can contact them. You can report the unauthorized charge to your cash app support through their application or website. If you go to cash app, you're gonna see the way you can reach out to the customer support through the application or their website, okay. So this helps you out to easily reach out to them, okay. And also you can tell them to freeze or deactivate your card. So you can use the cash app to temporarily disable your cash card, okay, or you can also request a new one to prevent any further unauthorized transaction, okay. And also you can try as much as possible to dispute the charge. So you can follow cash app's procedure for disputing unauthorized charges, and to do this you can provide necessary documentation or evidence that the charge is fraudulent. And always make sure to monitor your account just like the way you are doing for your credit card. You can regularly check your cash app account for in case of any unauthorized charges or suspicious activity. So setting up account alert is very much important. Okay, talking about the general steps that you can also take, you can go ahead and report this, okay, to the Federal Trade Commission, which is FTC, at identity the ft.gov, and also you can report to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Okay, so they can help you to with further investigation and provide a record of the fraud. But however, you need to have proof, like documentation, all the documentation I told you to make. Okay, so like the communication with the representative of your credit issuer in case they do not offer any support. Okay, and also make sure that you check your credit report. Okay, you can obtain and review your credit report from the major credit bureaus like Equifax, Experian, TransUnion, and others. Okay, so they can help you how to ensure that there are no other unauthorized accounts or charges. Okay, and as you know that keeping detailed record of all communication is important with your credit card issuer, cash app support, and any authorities. So just like I told you earlier, it includes dates, times, names, and names of representatives and summaries of conversation. This helps you in the long run. And also you can change your online password. Okay, you can change the password of your online account associated with your credit card or cash app and debit card to prevent any further unauthorized access. And always stay vigilant. Okay, continue to monitor your credit card statement, your cash app account, and your credit report to catch any fraudulent, future fraudulent activities promptly. And always make sure that you familiarize yourself with legitimate tickets companies practice to recognize potential scams. Okay, so it's always good that you familiarize yourself with tickets companies practices to recognize potential scams. Okay, so these are the things that I have for you in this video, and possibly maybe you've experienced this type of charge before, and there is a step that you have taken and it worked for you. Then you can let us know in the comment box. I'm certain that other people also will be able to learn, because everything I've said here is from my research, okay, and also what other people have been able to say from my close community. So you can go ahead and let us know, okay, what you've done, or maybe after watching this video, you actually go ahead also to apply all the best measures I've talked here, or some of the best measures, and one of them worked very well for you. You can also leave your thoughts in the comment box so that someone also, or many people, will be able to rub minds with you and also learn from you. So we are all here to help each other to escape from all this online scam. Right? So thank you very much for your time, and I believe this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, to always help other people and also help me to keep doing videos like this for you guys. And I really appreciate your time. Wish you the best of luck, and I hope you're able to solve this problem. Peace, and until another time. Bye for now.